When it comes to making a corporate video, writing the script isn't just one step in the process. It's the foundation that everything else is built on. I'm Eric Wylie, and in this episode of Working with a Videographer, we're going to walk through how to write a script that works for video, one that keeps your message clear, your production efficient, and your audience engaged. A great script doesn't just happen, it's planned. A good script saves time on shoot days, keeps editing focused, and makes sure your message lands with the audience you want to reach. Whether you're creating a training video, a company announcement, or a product demo, the script is the blueprint for the video production work yet to come. Before you put words on the page, decide who's writing the script, and just as importantly, who's reviewing and approving it. I always recommend keeping the review team small. Too many opinions can drag out the process and bloat the content. 1 or 2 stakeholders, plus someone from your legal department, is usually enough. Involving your legal department or lawyer is key for ensuring your script complies with employment law, copyright, and any industry-specific regulations. Now let's talk format. The corporate video scripts I write are laid out in a 3-column format. The first column is video. This column describes what the audience sees: live action, graphics, text on the screen, things like that. The next column is audio. This includes voiceover, interviews, or on-camera dialogue. And finally, a column for notes. Any production reminders like branding notes, possible alternate shots, and reminders to check with other team members or departments about a detail. If your video will be fully translated or subtitled in another language, I'll add a 4th column, translation, placed between audio and notes. It helps keep the approved voiceover and translations aligned during localization. Often, someone decides we need a video on this topic, so the subject is set. But take time to refine your message. What's the goal? Who's the audience? What action do you want them to take? Keep the content concise and on target. Watch out for scope creep. Once a script starts circulating, there's a temptation to add more topics, but more isn't always better. If you have several important messages, they may deserve separate videos. Start your process by outlining the key points, and of course, put those points in the most logical order to best tell your story. Get agreement on that outline before adding full voiceover or on-camera narration text in the audio column. It's much easier to adjust ideas early before people get attached to fully written paragraphs. Writing for video is very different from web copy or printed materials. Why? Because people don't read it, they hear it. Let me show you an example from a company's annual report. In fiscal year 2024, our organization achieved a 17% increase in operational efficiency by implementing a streamlined logistics infrastructure across all departments. Now that's fine in print, I suppose, but imagine having to say that on camera. A good video script version might look like this. This past year, we made our operations 17% more efficient by improving how we manage logistics across the whole company. It's the same idea, but now it sounds natural, like something someone would actually say. Use contractions, break up long thoughts, avoid buzzwords, and always read your script out loud. If it sounds stiff, rewrite it. Once your script is in good shape, it's time to create a shot sheet. A shot sheet is a list of the video scenes we'll capture at a specific location, on a specific day, and in a specific order. The order isn't based on how the video will eventually play out, it's based on the most efficient way to record it. That could mean scheduling around weather, available daylight, machine operation times in a factory, or simply the availability of the people appearing on camera. Planning your shoot day with a shot sheet created from your script makes the production smoother, faster, and far less stressful. A great corporate video starts with a smart, well-structured script. Know your message. Choose your reviewers wisely. Use a script layout that's built for production. Keep your writing clear and conversational, and plan your shoot with logistics in mind. Do that, and the rest of the production process becomes a whole lot easier. If you've been able to grab a nugget from today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. There's more to come. I'm Eric Wylie. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.